It's no secret that Facebook offers one of the largest, most effective advertising platforms for all businesses, or any kind of business actually. No matter where you are right now in your business, whether you're just starting out or you have been in e-commerce since forever, knowing how to use Facebook ads the right way is a must. So in this video, I have 5 tips that guarantee to improve your Facebook advertising, which also improve your business. So stay tuned. Okay, let's start right away with tip number 1. Investing in audience research upfront. So we have like 2 kinds of ads. A good ad in front of the wrong people and a bad boring ad in front of the right people. Both suck, by the way, and it's hard to get conversions from. So how can I know if the problem is with my ad or with the audience I target? Well, this is a great question. And this is exactly what you should do to know the answer. You will have to test some audiences in the beginning before you start testing specific stuff like the ad copy or format. But that doesn't mean that you can't give yourself a head start with some educated guesses. One of the best ways to find interests which you can target is, as I always say, to put yourself in the perspective of whoever you think your audience is, and ask yourself, what Facebook pages should they like? What would they write on Google? What competitors are they already buying from? Do some exploring and see what you can learn about the interests that make them unique compared to the masses. Tip number 2. Don't target an audience that is too big, just play it small. A common mistake with paid advertising, regardless of platform, is going too broad with the audiences you target. You might think like everyone is your potential customer, but in reality this is wrong. Remember, you're paying money not only to make people reach your ad, but to convert them into customers. So play it small, and especially in the beginning. A potential audience that's between 100,000 people to 600,000 people is often a good size to start with for many dropshipping niches. Tip number 3. What to do if your audience is still too big? If your audience is still too big, try narrowing it with some interests that your main audience must also match for. This way, the number will definitely decrease. Tip number 4. You should always isolate what you're testing. Testing different audiences, each presented with different ads at different times, won't tell you much even if you stumble across something that gets you better results and more sales. And you will start to wonder, was it the audience? Was it the ad copy? Was it the timing? Or even was it a combination of a few things together? As much as you can, try to isolate and analyze one variable to test so you can go forward after the experiment with knowledge you can act upon and benefit from. Tip number 5. Not being patient. In any kind of paid advertising, it can feel like you're losing money if you're not getting any results right away. Sometimes you may feel compelled to take control of your ads and tweak things to optimize them so they can perform better as soon as possible. But in the beginning, especially, summing up data and insights is key. That's why it's so important to have a clear idea of how much you're actually willing to spend to get one customer. So be patient, guys. Facebook advertising can take some time to completely understand, but as one of the most effective ways to advertise and to get immediate traffic, it's definitely worth the investment. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.